and I'm a music therapist. Today on All Things MT, I'm going to be showing you guys an activity called Going on a Bear Hunt. It's a very popular one with preschoolers and kindergartners, and you may have heard it once or twice. I'm sure there's probably several books about the bear hunt. So I took the original lyrics from the bear hunt song and kind of made it my own, and have some props to use to make it a tactile activity and to make it more exciting for the kiddos. So in this activity, we work on sequencing, we work on motor planning, playing on the drum, bilateral coordination, and we are also working on sensory integration. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys my props. First prop is this basket with my plastic grass inside. We normally use this grass for Easter egg hunts, but I'm repurposing it. And I borrowed all of these props from the clinic. This is my little fishy friend that blows water out of his mouth to represent the river. And some Play-Doh to represent the mud, which if you have some older kids or higher functioning kids, they're going to say, that's not mud, that's Play-Doh. So maybe put some brown mud in a Tupperware so that they don't argue with you, but it's fine. Either way, it's all about the imagination anyways. And then for my deep dark forest and my flashlight, I use these lights. These are awesome. You can get them on Amazon, but you put them under a drum or anything else, and you can light things up. And then, of course, my bear. Can't do this without the bear. And I also have some visual cues that I use to prepare the kiddo for what's coming next. I'm missing my grass cue, but it's fine. We're going on a bear hunt. Touch the grass, feel the grass, and then we're going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt, gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Oh my, we found a river, a deep flowing river. We can't go over it, we can't go over it, we can't go under it, can't go under it, gotta go through it, gotta go through it. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. So I'll like squirt my fish at different places in the room or different kiddos. Now if a kid doesn't want to be squirted, that's fine. I normally try to squirt at their feet. But anyways, they love this. They get so excited because it's unexpected to have water squirted at them. We're going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt, gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Ew, yuck. We found some mud. Some icky, sticky mud. Then I'll take out my Play-Doh and have them touch the squishy mud. We can't go over it, we can't go over it, we can't go under it, can't go under it. Gotta go through it, gotta go through it. Squish, 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 squish. We're going on a bear hunt. I'm not scared, what at this point, I will stick my pretty lights into my drum and say, ooh, it's a dark forest. So then I will turn out my lights. Make sure you don't have a kiddo that's afraid of the dark, or just don't do this if you have a kid that's afraid of the dark. Good thing we have our flashlight. We can't go over it, we can't go over it, can't go under it, can't go under it. Gotta go through it, gotta go through it. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. And sometimes I will keep the lights off if the kiddo seems excited and loving it. If they don't love being in the dark, then I'll turn the lights on for the rest of the song. Going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt, gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. I see a deep, dark cave. Let's go in. I see two big brown eyes, one shiny wet nose. It's a bear! Hurry! Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Hurry! Back through the woods. Back through the river. Back through the grass. And so we made it home. Alright everybody, so that is my bear hunt activity. You can do any kind of variation of it, change it up however you want. You could use different props, but that's the way that I do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, leave your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.